Good night na here. Madilim. Good night na here. Madilim dito. Antok na. Ngayong wala ka na. Chanang Kipay. Hi, Chanang Kipay. Kumusta? Welcome to my live. Welcome back, Chanang Kipay. Kumusta? Ano? Kumusta po? Kumusta po, Chanang Kipay? Pa-thumbs up. Salamat. Please thumbs up. Alive ka pa. Hindi ka pa antok. Naantok na nga eh. Pag nakano na ako ng antok, tutulog na ako. Salamat. Artemio Nodalo. Fantasy. If you have any question, let me know. If you need anything, let me know. If you need anything, let me know. If that I can do it on the kids today, and I will. Hi. Thank you, Artemio. Ano yun? Tabihan sana kita, giniginaw ka ata. Chanong Kipay. Salamat. Thumbs up number 2. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sat7. Thank you po. Thank you. Hello, Jake. Hello, Jake. Hello, Jake. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Lowy Jig pala. Good, the kids today is the kids today. Ano? Ano yun? What you said? What you get? What? Artemio Dalo, what did you say? Thank you, Greg. Thank you for the thumbs. Thank you. Chanang Kipay. Taga saan ka, Chanang Kipay? Di ko alam kung lalaki ka o babae kasi Kipay, babae. So, Chanong. Cheryl, do you want me to post your people? People? Laguna, okay. People? Thank you, oh my God, 17 million. People, what, Greg, what do you mean, people? People, I think the money, transferring the money. You need anything else? You know, Artemio, I want anything else. I want money, of course. Anyone want money? Mateo Jan Napawang. Hello. Hi, Mateo. Thank you so much, Mateo. Thank you po. You don't have a people. I don't have a people. Yeah, I don't have. LOL. Borna Casas. Hi, Borna. But I have Gcash. Ashley May Freyas. Thank you. Freyas number 16. Your birthday? I have Gcash. I don't have PayPal. Do you have a dog? I don't have a dog. No dog, no dog. Thank you. I have PayPal. I have PayPal. What PayPal? Yum Yum Burger. Hi. Hi, Yum Yum. Thank you. I'm 6. You are 6 years old, Yum Yum. 6 years old. Grab, I have Gcash. No PayPal. What the people? You need a people, Cheryl. Please do that. Okay, I try. Ano? How old are you, Tim? Ano, I'm 40 years old. Nag-isipin, no? Yeah, I try to, the people. Having a people. Why are you asking, Greg? Why need to, the people? It's something wrong. Or maybe you can send me money like that. Wow, sana all. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. I'm 40 years old, Borno. Salamat. I know that you want for me. You should never did and you dance to me. I got to come to your knees. Kind of a misery loves company. Thank you for the 8 million and the 4 thumbs up. Salamat po. Thank you guys. Salamat sa nanood. Wala, may sasakyan. There's a mystery loves company. So till I met you, this feeling may sasakyan. Sino siya? Ang galing niyang gumiling, ang galing niyang gumaling. May sasakyan, maganda. Have a car outside. Beautiful car. Tahimik na ulit. Wala nang nagdaldal. Salamat. Mateo dyan na palang, I am 17. Oh, kabata pa. Mga bata. Ba't mga bata pa yung mga naligaw? ginamit nyo yung account ng mga ate nyo or ng ano nyo. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay magkasama. Ikaw lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kung ikaw pangarap ko. Ibigin ka okay tagal ko nang naghihintay. May sasakyan. Grabe, grabe, grabe. Oh, ay, where are you now? Nag-silent na kayo. Why naman? Ang galing niyang gumaling. Okay, tagal ko nang naghihintay. Nasa akin ang may aalam. Pag-ibig na di mawawala. Pangarap ibigan ka at sa habang panahon. Hi Greg, why I need people? Bakit? Oh, biglang nagka-wararas. Grabe naman. Nangyari. Sana ano man ang mangyari. Hello, I need 30 minutes left. Paano kaya yan? Thank you for the family. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you guys. Salamat po. Ang galing niyang gumiling. Ang galing. Salamat sa 5 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Salamat guys. Salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you. Malamig. Malamig outside. Oh. Akala mo I think so 5 million. Na Hi, comment kayo. Anong gusto niyo man sabihin? Anything. Stok-stok lang. Stok-stok yung isa dyan, ha? Nag-stock. Wala, salamat sa thumbs up. Wala na. Nasaan ka na, Greg? Ano nangyari sa'yo? What happens to you? What's happening? Zero cars. Run cars, so cars. Sana all. Sana all my car. What do you mean? That's me. Malamig. No, that you're... Ano, unahin na kayo. Nagkurara na. Ito si Greg na. I'm I'm going inside na. Okay. What do you mean? Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. What do you mean? Can you give ano? Wala, wala. Nanonood lang. Mga nanonood lang. Dadahan, nanonood. Okay lang. Ba't ka na? Pati na. Ah. Hanggang. Oh my God, why I can't read something? I can't read, ano, what? Wala, ngayon ko lang nabasa dito o sa ano. Hindi ko nabasa dito sa sarili kong ano, dito sa ano. Ba't ganun? Ko nabasa dyan. You look so good, Cheryl. Alam mo yan, ba't ano? Ba't ganun? Hala, ang dami palang comment. Ba't ganun? Oh my God. Hala. Mark Angelo C. Santos, hi. Hi, ba't di ko ito nabasa dyan? I'm going to be a doctor. Wow. Ito, balat pala dyan. Magkano nasa GCash account mo? Nasa GCash account ko lang ay 70 pesos. Ano ba yan? That is how Americans send cash. Ah, okay. Wow, sana all. I just read this. But here, I'm not read my own live. What happening? That is how Americans send cash. You will send me cash? Huh? Okay. Hi, Nathan Cream. Oh my God. Hindi ko na nabasa to. Wala kasi dito sa sarili kong line. Nathan Extreme from Kuwait. Hi, Nathan. Thank you so much. Thank you sa Thank you sa nag-join na. Hindi ko nabasa dito kanina pa siguro. Hi, Idol. Idol. Wow, Idol. I have school tomorrow by Yum Yum Burger. Sige lang, Yum Yum. Sila trabaho. Ako ngayon. Sige, Barnaw Casas. Sige lang. Open ka na PayPal. Baka willing siya magpadala sa'yo. Sana. Sana nga. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yum Yum Burger. Nasa trabaho ako ngayon by Barnaw Casas. I'm in Philippines. Mateo Jan Napalang, me too. I understand Bisaya and Tagalog, guys. Finally, someone is English. Wait lang, tawag ako ni boss. Sige lang. Greg. Galing kumanta, sent by Gaga. Ang kulit niya. Can I share this live stream, Cheryl? Thank you so much, Greg. Yes, you can. Always. Thank you so much for the support. Greg, thank you so much, Greg, for the supporting me always. Oh my God, I can't. You are the only live stream that is listening to me. Wow, Yum Yum Burger, ha? Thank you so much. Thank you sa thumbs up, guys. 6 thumbs up. Daisy Rose Nasal. Oh my God, ang dami palang Hey, Borno Casas, can you change your voice because I can change my voice? Ano ba to? Hindi, I don't think so. I like so and subscribe you. Thank you guys. No, I can't. I like your singing. Thanks for subscribing. Greg, how old are you, Greg? I'm still here. You look so great. Ilan manok ninyo? Walang manok. Are you scared on it? Because I'm scared. What do you mean, Shell? I'm on my way. Guys, can you type this? Ba yun? Tala, ba't di ko nabasa to kanina pa to siguro malamang. Oh my godness. Sorry guys ngayon ko lang You are beautiful, Mata. Salamat, Greg. Thank you, Greg. And do you know also Rap God? What Rap God? Sorry ngayon ko lang na dito sa sarili kong live, hindi ko siya makita. Siguro wala naman ako napindot na sa settings. Ano nangyari? Kung maintindihan. Thank you, Greg. Greg, you will send me cash, ganyan. Oh my God. T-Series na solo, late, Late, it was late. My bad, I'm 45. My bad. Why bad? What the bad? Not bad. Thank you guys. Thank you so 6 million. Thank you so much. Sorry sa kanina, hindi ko nabasa. Oh my God. Ngayon ko lang nabasa. Mataya dyan na pawang. Taga saan ka po? Barnock. Bye. Tulog na ako dahil may trabaho ako bukas. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Barnock. Ingat. Sweet dreams. Good night. I miss his comment. You miss his comment? Who's comment? Who's from comment? What happens? Ganun. Thank you for the 5 million. 5 million. Salamat sa nagnood. He asked my age. Okay. It's okay. So who's asking? Burnout. Who's asking? How old are you? Si Davis. How old? Davis? Greggy Davis. How old are you? Si Burnock. How asking? Okay. Si Burnock. Yeah, Burnock Casos. It's fine. I answered it late. Yeah. It's okay. I think he read because his comment of saying she's going to sleep is may asawa ka. Bakit? Wala akong asawa. Pero hindi ako available. Akala ko ba matutulog ka na, Burnocken? Si Burnockens. It's too late. Ay, wala lang. Mamaya unti pa. Mapapantok pa, no? You need nagpapantok pa. Greg, are you oh my. Are you what? Are you are you sending me you will send me money? That's why I need people. It's an app, PayPal or website. What are you talking about, baby? What are you talking about, baby? Who's baby? I found a love. Thank you for the 7 million. PayPal is up. Okay, PayPal is up. Okay, I will try download the app. Yung jowa ko rati, binilhan ko ng Rolex. Mga ilang years nag-break up kami. at least may memories ka sa kanya. Yung may ano ka, may naibigay. Kasi ano yun eh, parang ano yun eh, memorable. Maalala ka niya. Allow people to send you money. Allow? Allow people to send you money. Okay. Who sent me money? No one can send me. Ayaw ko nang magka-jowa. Buang. Ayaw ko na magka-jowa. Bakit naman? Grabe naman yan. Dalang-dala. Buang. Sinong buang? Who's buang? I have big eye bags na. Look up people later. Yes. Okay. Also, I hope, I wish and I hope someone send me money on PayPal. I found the love for me. People. Parang mamamatay ako nung nag-break kami. What? Oh my God. Nakakaano talaga. Iba talaga kapag yung mag-break up kayo ng relationship. Mahirap pumasok sa relasyon. My gosh. I don't like it in our relationship. Nakakadala. Ano ba yun? Hindi ako makatulog ng 3 araw. Who wants a relationship? Bornox Casa said he have a relationship before. He have an ex, but he broke up. He broke up. Hi again. Hi Lorna Labrador. Hi Lorna. Si Lorna. Hi Lorna, taga saan ka Lorna? Bye, matulog na ako. Magagalit si boss pag malit ako. Sige lang Pernok. Sige lang, ingat. Ingat. Sweet dreams. Good night. I'll be right back, Cheryl. Don't go nowhere. Yes. Okay. I'm just here. I'm just here at home. Ako to. Lorna Labrador. Ako to. Remember me? Yes, I remember you. Lorna. I remember you. Nag-join ka sa akin sa live dati. Kaya nga, may jacket ka, oh. May, jacket na jacket eh. Where are you going, Greg? Thank you, Lorna. Salamat, Lorna. Thank you, Lorna. It's late. It's late, Reid, can I marry you tomorrow, Cheryl? Hello, late again. Why, I missed this, Mana, sana hapde bukas. Sana all. Wala, ngayon ko lang nabasa. Bye, lobat na ako. Wow, may 7 likes na. Thank you so much. Thank you for the, for the 9 thumbs up. Thank you so much sa pag-likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Lorna. Thank you, Lorna Labrador. My God. Bye-bye. Bye, Lorna. Sweet dreams. Good night. Haggard. Spider. Where are you now? Till I met you, never knew all of us. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more. Every day I love you more, each day. No, no, you and I will be together. Can't you see? Can't you see? Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Tulog na. Para matulog ng mga tao. Hindi. Pampagising ba? Bulahaw, no? No. You and I will be together. Can't you see? Can't you see? It's so magic. I'm never known. Wala lang. Kanta nga na lang. Every day I love you more each day. Nawala na si Greg. You and I will be together. Gagalit yung ano. Ta 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 ta, love kita. May lungkot. Ta 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 ta. Ikaw na sana ang makasama at makapiling na pambuhay. Iubot ng ganda, tunay ba? Ang kulit. Dalawa yung screen ko kasi ano ko kung ba yung nagko-comment kasi hindi ko mabasa dito sa sarili kong live. Ano ba yun? Yan, ba't ganun? May ganun pala yun. Ano naman ako napindot sa settings? Parang weird ah. Ang weird talaga. It's really weird. Ang weird. Kapag dito naman. Okay. Nakalagay naman. Show most messages. Nakalagay naman. Thank you so 5 million. Thank you so much. I'm back. Maganda, Cheryl. Where are you from? Where are you going, Greg? Ang kulit ko. I'm from North. Oh, I know. You're from North Carolina, USA. I mean, in just few minutes. In just few, yeah. We're going. Oh. What do you mean? I made me some burgers. Okay. For snack. For snack. Oh my god. Pizza. I like pizza too. Pizza. Ay. Pizza cravings. Bahaw. You know bahaw? You know bahaw, huh? The bahaw. I cooked out yesterday a barbecue. Ah, okay. That is a bahaw barbecue. I told you that I've been learning words for months na. Ah, okay. Okay. Wow, you learn fast. Tagalog language. Tagalog Bisaya language. Learn fast. Greg. Thank you for the 6 million. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up po. Thank you po guys. Salamat po. I start learning 2 words a day. Ah, okay. Same me. I'm not fluent in English, but I learn more and more when I talk English. I read and I educate myself. Then I got better and starting learning more. Yes. If you want, you will find ways. If you are not, if you don't want, you have more reason to say no. To say no and to don't do it. Then I got better and starting learning. Thank you, Greg. I'm happy I may meet you here on YouTube at a bit supportive friend. I wish this year my channel will be monetized. I will earn money here. Oh my god. If I if I will earn money, I can build my own home. I will buy a car, motorbike, like big dream, no? My dream. My own car. That's a no. That's a my big dream. Travel the world. Favorite place. Beautiful nature, no. My friend taught me bad words in Tagalog and Bisaya. Ah, okay. Teach you. Your friend teach you bad words in Tagalog and Bisaya. Ah, okay. I will help you get monetized, Cheryl. Thank you so much. Craig. Salamat. Salamat. I thank you so much for 6 million. Not already six, just a 6 million. Advance. I can be some. I will watch your videos and short, comment, and like. Then I will share buwang. May buwang. You know the words buwang? Buwang means crazy. Oh, super, not good word. Charot. Charot. Char. Ay. Thank you for 6 million again. I know what buang means. Ah, okay. That's no. Use words kulitan, ganyan. Kulitan, conversation. But if you tell this word, stranger, not good. You will find enemy if you tell you this stranger. I'm just be kidding. Yeah, I know you're just kidding. In sense your voice is my heart feels. Oh girl, I'm all about you. I know what no, don't say that words. I don't like that word. I don't want to say it. Don't say it. Not good word. Who teach you this word? Who teach you this? For the sound of your voice in my heart, you're gone, oh girl, I'm all about you, I'm all about it. Only when I'm thinking you better. I told you I learned a lot from people in the Philippines. Yeah, but But it's not good. You learn this word is not good. Not not pleasant word. Maybe you meet Filipino people bardagulan, mga sanay sa bardagulan. I know some bad words too. Okay. The sound of your eyes, and my heart feels so good. Anything in this in words, anything in oh God. They taught me just in case someone was talking bad about me. Ah, okay. That's not good. That good words that me. Why ano? This is I needed to know. Yeah, you needed to know. But I think if someone say to you the bad words, you don't need to say it bad words too. You just need to be to stay who you are. No need to change your personality. I'm still learning about this still. Oh, okay. Someone teach you Philip Tagalog language. Mandawi. Okay, Mandawi. Here in the Philippines. No, I know that Mandawi. You have a Filipino friends. Time my heart feels so girl, it's you. I'm all about you. I'm all about. Yes, my friend teaching me Bisaya. Okay. Mini Bisaya. No, you have a mini Bisaya friend. I fell asleep na. I fall asleep na. I need to, but also Tagalog meanings. Okay. Our, national language here, Tagalog. Mini language here in Philippines. Bisaya, Bicol, Ilocano, Ilonggo, Waray. So many language. Nihongo. I mean, not Nihongo. Ano ba yan? Ilonggo. Waray. Bicol. Ilocano. Ano ba yan? Kapampangan. I know that. Okay. I'm going to sleep na. I learn more later. Yeah, you need more later. Bye-bye. I'm going to sleep now. Good night to me. I will see you tomorrow, Cheryl. Amping. What amping? What means amping? What amping? What means amping? What amping? Ano yun? Amping means what word? It's Bisaya language. Amping means taker. Oh my god. Sige, bye-bye. Sayang. Nantok na ako. Bisaya. Okay. Bisaya. Amping. Sige, bye-bye. Salamat sa nanonood. Thank you so much. And sa pa-thumbs up po. Maraming salamat. Good night. God bless you all. Bye-bye. See you my next live. Thank you so much.